When you visit St. Louis, you come for the amazing barbecue. But what if I told you you can shoot guns too at the same place? Welcome to St. Louis, Missouri. I'm at Sharpshooters Indoor Range. You can literally have amazing barbecue, award-winning barbecue, and shoot a plethora of guns. And they keep that wall updated. So the newest guns that are coming out, they got them. And we got a few we're gonna try today. Four concealed carry guns we're gonna try out, and then 45 gold. This is the Glock 43X. Not bad, it's got some bite to it, but that's ideal for, something that's small. This is the Smith & Wesson CSX. So for the CSX, the trigger reset's very small. It's got a whole lot more bite than the 43X. So this is the Canik TP9 Elite. Wow, I will say this, bigger frame gun allowed me to be more accurate with my shots downrange. I really like the TP9 Elite. 6-aught, 365 Mac. Man, that's a smooth gun. This is like a dirty, hairy gun right here. I was expecting a lot of kick. I was expecting that thing to go boom. It didn't do none of that. If you haven't been to Sharpshooter before, the training classes here are phenomenal. You can go from all the way up to elite training. While you're waiting, grab you some good barbecue here at Sharpshooter and get on this range today. Speaking of barbecue, so we're gonna try the barbecue here at Sharpshooter Pit and Grill. My favorite, ribs. And I was told, you don't need no sauce. Just eat it like this first. Oh man. This is my favorite. Make sure you stop by Sharpshooter Pit and Grill. It's part of Sharpshooters.